aware na this one is radio, mayroon tayong listener. Sometimes we are engrossed with our program na hindi natin alam mayroong nakikinig. So dapat i-engage ninyo palagi yung listener. Okay? Number one is really listener. The Facebook, i-bonus na rin padre. Pero ang importante, as if na audio yung pinakikinggan. Okay? So that is one. So how to engage sa mga listener from time to time, i-mention nyo ang target nyo na audience. You have different programs. So, sino ba yung target audience nyo? Later on siguro magkaroon tayo some technical workshop para alamin natin yung target audience. Hindi pwede lahat-lahat. Okay? Dapat meron kayong focus audience. Okay? Maski lahat makikinig, bonus na yan. Pero yung program nyo dapat merong focus listener. Okay? Para from time to time yung offered priority for them. And also, you have also the potential listener. So, pwede mag-generic, pero you have to be in mind na mayroon kayong target listeners. Okay? So, that's why in the future, we will be having one-page program profile, program title, sino yung host, sino yung time, and ano yung target yun na listeners. Okay? And siguro one paragraph ng content para alamin later on magkaroon tayo ng segment. Kasi minsan ay monitoring the program para nag-stretch yung topic ninyo na nandun naman, nabigay nyo naman because mayroon pa kayong 30 minutes, di ba? So mapipil yan ng mga audience. So next is, you need to have breather also. Yung breather, minsan 1.5 hour program nyo or 1 hour, minsan lagyan nyo rin siguro ng music sa inyong mga program. Just like synodality, we need to have silence. Siguro dito hindi man pwede kay audio tayo. Siguro marami tayong music dito na instrumental, inspirational, or baka nagkaroon kayo ng search sa Google, sabihin nyo lang sa technical and they can play. Okay? Anytime na kailangan ninyo na i-play. So hindi lahat puro tayo talks, maybe. Okay? Explore the creativity. Okay? Next is the power of prayer. What is the value proposition of our radio? This one is evangelization. We need to have a personal branding. Okay?